Hey everyone, welcome back to Private Practice Made Easy. I'm Dr. Lisa, a psychiatric nurse practitioner and business coach for anyone wanting to create and build their dream practice. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create powerful video scripts or prompts and how to turn those prompts into eye-catching marketing videos using, for this demo, InVideo AI. Now, you can use VO3 by Google, any video tool, but for this demo, I'm going to use InVideo AI. All right, so let's dive in. So a couple weeks ago, I said that I was going to teach you how to do prompts to generate videos. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So one way to keep your overhead down is to do your own marketing using AI. It's just so simple now that why spend the money if you don't have to? And it's just not a lot of time that you have to spend doing it. So let's head over to ChatGPT. I'm using version 4.0. So to get a prompt, a video prompt, I'm going to write a prompt to create a video for LinkedIn post announcing the opening of your private practice business named Turning Point Psychiatry. Use the website turningpointpsychiatry.com to help generate the prompt for a captivating video to post. The audience is anyone seeking mental health services, including psychotherapy and medication management. Now, of course, you can you can put in whatever platform you're going to post the video, whether that's YouTube or Instagram. Of course, you're going to put your business name in there. Definitely put your website in there because it's going to pull from your website, which is more customized video. Okay. And then who's your target audience or what services are you going to provide, whether that's family practice or aesthetics. You want to make sure you put that in. And then it's going to generate the prompt for you. So that's what you do, folks. That's it. You just tell it what kind of prompt you want it to write. So it actually wrote a really good prompt. Create a 45 to 60-second professional announcement video for the grand opening of Turning Point Psychiatry. Breaks down the target audience, the tone, the visual style, and then the narration is there as well. And you have a call to action and closing scene. You can edit this. If there's something in here you want to edit, you just go down here and ask ChatGPT to make that edit. All right, so you're going to copy that prompt and then you're going to go over to whatever video tool you are going to use. Okay, so for this demo, I'm using InVideo. And by the way, I'm using um, the free option. Okay. So you're going to see the watermarks on here and it's going to be a slow buffer. But anyway, it's the free one. So I'm going to take that prompt. I'm going to post it in the command box here and generate. Now, when I first generated this video, the first 7 seconds I did not like. So I went down here and I put, can you, from the beginning of this video to the 7 seconds, replace with a picture of a nurse practitioner? And that's exactly what it did. And you can actually describe what you want that nurse practitioner to look like or, be as specific as you want. So remember, this comes with audio. So let me start playing this. I'll show you just a snap here.
We believe every person deserves a chance to start fresh.
Okay, so that was the first edit that I wanted to make.
Whether you
mute this. So as we go through the video, I'm looking at the video, and in the middle of the video, it actually went out to my website, and I'm going to go over here to the website and I'm going to show you the landing page of my website. So see that image there? What it did in InVideo AI is it captured that scene, that image, and it brought it into the video. Now, some of the images here on this video, it uses iStock. Now that watermark will come off if you do the paid version of InVideo AI. By the way, you can use VO, as I said earlier, by Google. I think that is the best video platform out there to date. But everybody's in competition. So each week it seems like something new is coming out. So in just a second, you are going to see that image. Boom, there we are. So it took that image and then it put it into a video. And so it customized it based on your website. Now there's another area at the end of this video that I didn't like. I told it to do the TMS and it looks like it has electrodes on there like an EKG, and that's not what TMS looks like. So I need to go right back down here to where it says give me a command or edit, and I need to actually just go ahead and say can you edit, and I'll put the time on there, and I will tell it to take the electrodes, replace the electrodes with a Brains Way hood. And I'm going to use that brand because that's what we use in our clinic. So I will add that edit and generate. I think I ran out of free time here, so I'm not going to be able to do that, but you get the gist of it. And so anyway, I think this showed you how to generate a prompt. Basically, just go to ChatGPT, put in what kind of prompt you want it to create, and it creates it for you. And you can plug that into any video resource tool that you have. All right, then, I hope this has been helpful to you. If so, I would love it if you would just like and subscribe, and I will be putting out more videos using different AI tools to help launch your private practice.